Hi guys, welcome to my channel Tips and Tricks by Arsim. Today we will be making crispy chili chicken. So let's move to the ingredients. We'll be making this recipe in two steps. First the marination and second the sauce. So for the marination we'll be needing chicken, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of salt and red chili, and 1 egg. For the sauce, we will be needing 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, half cup of green onions, half cup of tomato sauce, 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of chili flakes and salt, 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, and til. So let's get started. Okay, so take a bowl, add chicken, now add corn flour, now add all-purpose flour. Okay, mix it. Now add egg, soya sauce, and chili and salt. Mix it properly. Keep aside for about 15 to 20 minutes. Till then we can make the sauce. It has been 10 minutes now, so we'll fry the chicken. So let's move. So now we are going to fry the chicken. Take a frying pan, add oil. Wait till the oil is hot. So the oil is hot now, and we'll dip the chicken. Fry until the chicken turns into golden brown. So the chicken has turned its color and it's lovely brown. I guess it needs to be cooked 1 or 2 minutes more. Our chicken is all ready. The color is so good. So our chicken is all ready, so let's move to the sauce. So now move towards the sauce. Take a frying pan, add oil. Now add garlic paste, chili flakes and salt. Now add green onion, soya sauce and chili sauce. It smells so good. Tomato sauce, and let it cook for a while. Now add lemon juice. Okay. Add honey. Wow, it looks so colorful. Our sauce is all ready. So now put the chicken that we have fried before. Mix it properly. Let it cook for about 2 minutes, then our dish is all ready. But not the least, add some til. Now take the chicken into a bowl and our dish is all ready. So guys, here's the final look of our dish. I hope you like this recipe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel Tips and Tricks by Arsim. Till then, bye!